I am so excited to finally share with you what I've been working on for the past few months. I'm excited to announce I've just completed our complete beginner's guide to Affinity Publisher. Last September, I started using Publisher while it was in its beta version so that I could make ebooks for Affinity Photo and Affinity Designer. While I was using Publisher, I really saw how powerful this program can be. You can do so much with it. But it can be a little tricky to get used to. Even though I already had used Affinity Photo and Affinity Designer, Affinity Publisher is a little bit different and can definitely take some getting used to. So that's why I made this course, so you wouldn't have to go through months of trying to figure out how to use all the tools and how to work all the formatting. I did the hard work for you. This course is for anyone who just wants to learn more about how Publisher works. You don't need any previous publishing experience to follow along with this course. During this course, we'll go step by step to learn a few key features, including how to put text on a path, create text styles, use text wrapping, add in a table of contents, and how to use the additional personas inside of Publisher. During this course, you'll create beautiful flyers for your business or any event that you might be putting on. Then, you'll create a travel brochure, including specific measurements to prepare your brochure for print. You'll also make a magazine, learning to work with larger blocks of text while incorporating images. To wrap the course up, you'll format an entire book project. No, you won't be writing the book during this course, but you'll learn how to put a book together. I am so excited to finally share this course with you. Enroll today, and I'll see you in the course.